guys, we're back at this 1998 Toyota T100. I really love this truck. Now we have a problem with the rear right side taillight. It's not working, so we're gonna verify it. I'm gonna check it if it's really the problem, verify it, diagnose it, and fix the problem. I'm pretty sure it's just like busted valve, and get the Okay guys, so it say the right brake tail light doesn't work. We need to verify it. The only thing we can do is start the car and see it. Let's see. We'll open the door, check it. Well, normally we could just, when we press the brake, but how are we gonna know? We don't have anybody to press it. So first, let's try to turn on the headlight, because normally the brake will turn on too. So that one is on, and he's right, this one does not turn on. So that's on, and that's off. So we have to open it. I believe this should be pretty easy. We're going to access this 10 millimeter bolt, and that should pop out, and they should have a bulb in there. Okay, let's turn it off. Oh, it's beautiful. Windy. I think we also have the light somewhere here. Let's see. There you go. Check it out. Good. 10 millimeter. It should be just a busted bulb, you know. And let's see what we can find in here. All right. Let's get started. It's a little bit dark here, but there's two 10 millimeter bolt here and a side. I believe that's all it's holding it. Once we go there, so I'm going to remove that. Let's put it there, don't lose it. Okay. I believe once we remove these, they should pop out. Should be a pretty easy solution. Alright, don't drop it. Okay. So now that moves. Let's check this backside. So I believe if you're looking at this, the red light is, so there's three connectors. Let's see if I can move it out this way. One second. Okay, let's go this way. 1, 2, 3 bulbs. The first on top, that's the turn signal. The second one's white, so that will be the reverse, and that's the brake light. So we are just going to open. Let me go this way. You can see better. Oh, my lighting was bad. Let's see. Can't really see much, huh? This side. Okay. You can see it. So this bottom, So what you would do is spin it counterclockwise. I'll do it with my one hand. Okay. Then too much movements. Yeah, move this. There you go. And this one the same thing. You gotta move it clockwise. This way. Now there you go. Quick clockwise. I think we could look at this. If it's any good. Yep. So it's 2 filament. I don't know if you can see it. 2 filament. The one like a higher filament is okay, and the bottom one is broken. The reason why there's 2 filament, the broken one is the one when you turn on the headlight and it's always on for the brake light, and then the other filament that's good is when you press the brake pedal. But the one he has only 1 filament, so this might not work. This is what the customer gave us. 1 filament. It will work. See? You can see the bottom is different. I can try to put it on. No, this is not gonna match. This is not the right one. So we need to get the 2 filament one. So you can see here, that's wrong. That's not gonna touch it. It might cause an arc, it will bust it. So this is not the right bulb, wrong bulb. So I'm not gonna install it. I'm gonna tell my customer the wrong one. He got. You know what? Let's check if we have something laying around here. 2 filament bulb. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I don't really keep them. I do sometimes leave some parts here laying around. He's lucky if I have one. You know me. I hoard a lot of stuff. There you go. Check it out. Oh, look at that. It's yellow. It will work, I know for sure. It's lucky I have one. But it's yellow, which amber. This is for turn signal. It still will work. Let's see. I know it will. See that? And the location of the pins are good too. And I know it will work. Let's try it. So what I'm going to do is just install it and turn my headlight. I'm going to turn the headlight. Turn clockwise. Let's turn one more time. There you go. So let's turn on the headlight again and check it. It's lucky, very lucky if I have it. There you go. You hear it. So left side bottom works, and it works. Look at that. Look at that. Let's put it back. He'll be okay with that. You know, at least something to have. He can replace it again. I can replace it again once you get the right one. So always diagnose and check the right bulb. This is bad. So let's put it back. Same one. clockwise. There you go, it's in. Lock. Put it back. Make sure you've got the little pin guides on the side first. That one and that one on top should go align. Top and bottom. See it? There you go. Once that's in, it'll pop. You heard it. Then just put it back. Very simple. Let's get the back top one too. I'm pretty sure he won't even notice the difference because it has the lens are red, and at least it has something. You won't get pulled over because with the busted light. One thing that you don't throw away, even it's cheap, the good stuff, and this is trash. Throw it away. Kobe. Okay, the job is done. For that, let's check it one more time. Close it. The headlight on. I told you can't even tell. See that? That's good. And the right side is good. I think that one is brighter. What do you think? Love this truck. Toyota T100. Rare. Can't even find this no more. Beautiful truck. Free pine cones. Huh. All right. Job is done. Let's get a quick look around with this truck. Very beautiful. Look at that. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Well, let me just show you what do we have here. I got a couple. My beach truck, tow truck. Z3 coupe. We have a Z4. What else do we have? 135. Ah, beautiful. And a couple of cars here. And a couple over there. I need to clean up my garage. Oh, beautiful. Look at that weather.